a Chevelle update. You guys new to the channel might not know us, but we do got a Chevelle, and it's on the back burner. This is not hit. This is a donor Chevelle that we got for basically parts. And you know, this was a good body. It's pretty fixable. It's just the structure is rotted out on some of the mount points, and the car we got is in better shape when you consider we don't have to replace that. Now I'm walking down my big ass driveway to a section down here. Pretty much we have the Chevelle project, and I used to have cars all the way down the driveway, but I got rid of some of them. No need to keep, you know, all our parking spots tucked up, but it needs quarters. The whole ass end of the car is missing. It needs a lot, even fenders. Now the thing is, this has good structure on it. It's got a nice frame, and we got all new sheet metal for it. We just ain't had time to put it on. We got new quarter panels, so it'd be pretty well just spot weld, pull the old sheet metal off, put it back on, and it'd be good to go. The insides is been braced up with metal, so it didn't flex when all that was done. It's an automatic car at the moment. We do got a big block for it. If my mind don't change, it is going to 454. That's the inside. Does got the normal, there's a tree growing in it, but it won't be there forever. So no, I haven't forgot about the Chevelle project. It's just, we ain't had time to work on it. Future videos, maybe this spring we can get it all finished up. We'll get a big chunk of this car done. We even got a Grand Am next to it, needs restored. I planned on doing videos on that car too. So stay tuned. I'll try to bring you a little bit of Chevelle content here and there, maybe on the new sheet metal, getting you up to date what to use, how to build your car. We got engine builds of the 454. We're going to send it to the machine shop probably here next month, maybe, or the month after. Get it ready for the car. So this build will be pretty well started very soon. It's just getting the parts up because we need sheet metal. We got most of it, but I think we still need a roof skin. I have to double check. And yeah, I think we got interior, some of the interior, a dash and everything from an SS Chevelle. Because this is a Malibu at the moment, we want to turn it into an SS because they just nice. So we got the other projects on the channel going on at the moment. The third gen Camaro is about done. The second gen Camaro is getting very close to being done. Once those two is out of the way, we probably pull the Chevelle up there, start in on here, and the Mustang, the little 64 Mustang. And if you didn't know I had a Mustang, well, then you do. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update video. Got any suggestions? So what color would you like to see this car? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want to see stripes on it? All that good stuff. Give me your input. Do you think we should go LS 454? Enjoy hearing from everyone. And hope you enjoyed this short update video. Thank you for watching.